Hello, I am Wael Yahya, Certified Financial Technician Expert from the International Federation of Technical Analysts. In this video, we will apply the classical technical analysis methods to Google stock over the short term. First of all, and as usual, let us check the major structure over the monthly chart. And here we can notice that the stock has completed the formation of a giant historical peak around the new levels of $151. Of course, these numbers are after the split, so keep that into consideration. And concerning the peak being formed and the stock starting its reflection to the downside, I think the major structure for Google stock is bearish as long as it is below $150 over the monthly and long-term charts. Over the weekly chart, the long-term picture is not looking good at all. Things are very bearish, and a well-established downtrend is formed. Here we can see the lower highs where we can connect the falling peaks, as well as lower lows where we can connect the falling bottoms by a parallel channel line. Notice that lately, during this week, the last week, the running week now, there is a kind of a joint break where the great black long candlestick is breaking the channel line, and at the same time it's breaking the horizontal weekly support around the $105.50. And so this is a combo break, a joint break. You can call it a double break, where the price is breaking two different supports at the same time, running approximately at the same area. And this is what's happening now in Google, which is considered a very negative sign. Now let us check the picture over the daily chart to check the short-term details. Previously, not long ago, over the short term, there was a support around $105. This was a weekly medium-term support that managed to support the stock several times, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. At that same time, we had a short-term resistance around $118, and this reflected the prices of Google several times, 1, 2, 3, and 4, plus a kind of false break, and here it goes once again to the downside. So there was a kind of sideways, and this trading range had a thickness of around $12, ranging from 105 up to 118, which means that the thickness of this trading range was around $12. The break that is taking place this week was on a falling gap, falling price gap, plus a full seller's control candlestick, and another daily close below 105, plus a confirmation day below 105.50, which means that we do have 4 different signs of a valid break below the 105.50. And this will be much more confirmed later on if the close on Friday was also below the 105.50, which means that it was a weekly close below the broken supports, and this will validate and confirm the break. If this took place, we will be targeting around 105 minus $12, which means that we are targeting around $93. According to the volatility, we may see the $90 level according to the increased volatility if it took place. And of course, targets in general are zones and areas, not specific sharp cut lines. So keep in mind that when a target is met, some kind of volatility may take place around that target, and I think this will be the case in Google, as it is always has been, and therefore we may see 90 levels touch it every now and then if the target is met, and if the stock confirmed the close below 105.50 on the Friday close. So things are looking very, very dull in Google. It's clearly under strong selling pressure, and the sellers are in full control until now over the short term. Concerning the impulsive wave that is taking place now, I think we can connect over the 1 hour chart. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. I think we can connect the falling peaks. Here it goes, and we will use the yellow for our intraday 1 hour chart, and we can see here is the down channel line over the impulsive wave on the 1 hour chart, and it's clearly downtrend, well established downtrend over the hourly chart, which means that over the daily chart it is a strong impulsive wave to the downside, which is a part or a form of a bigger, longer major downtrend in Google over the weekly chart. So things are not looking good at all in Google, and of course this is due to the effect of the indices, which are all turning downwards and are all in a very bearish environment. That's it for Google for now. Thank you a lot for watching. Please feel free to like, share and subscribe, and see you soon.